As oil and gas operators worldwide adjust production methodologies and target more challenging reservoirs, the need for adaptive multiphase flow measurement continues to evolve. Coupling Emerson's automation efforts with our philosophy of innovation, the renowned Roxar 2600 multiphase flow meter is poised to advance the value and operational assurance for oil and gas operators worldwide. Known for its strength in the field, the value of this unique technology abounds with the addition of rapid adaptive measurement. With rapid adaptive measurement, the meter flow computer conducts parallel computation using multiple calculation modules. Each module provides a live confidence output of its calculations based on the flow regime the meter senses. The arbitrator in rapid adaptive measurement continuously selects the peak suitable output, powering through even the most rapid flow regime changes. This algorithm leads to higher data quality and increased confidence in the oil, gas, and water measurements. Working with incredible speed, the software selects the highest quality calculation module and provides the measurement output 10 times per second. Advancing customer journeys towards automated and digitized oil and gas field, Emerson is determined to innovate in an agile and future-proof way. With rapid adaptive measurement, each calculation module runs independently, and modules can be enhanced or replaced in the future without affecting the rest of the software structure. Achieve operational efficiency and increased reservoir recovery using Roxar 2600 multi-phase flow meter with rapid adaptive measurement.